Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am unboxing the new spring release from Planything. So I'm going to flip through everything. There's some new products in here, which is super exciting. So yeah, I'm going to flip through all of these items, and these are going to be available to purchase today at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I will have that linked down in the description. I also have a discount code. If you're interested in purchasing, definitely use that code. Yeah, I'm just gonna flip through everything and see what we got. There's lots of goodies in here. Actually, I kind of wanna just take everything out of the package in here. Do a little reveal. It's like opening presents, which is fun. So in here, we have 2 books. 2 new sticker books, 2 seasonal sticker books. Let's see, let's do the red ones last. And here, ooh, what's this? Oh, okay. This is planner stuff. So Planything is releasing her very first planner. We have some discs there. Okay, cool. Next. Oh, okay, here's an actual planner. And here, another planner. Oh, and this is such a cool, awesome size. I actually have to find out what size this is because I've never seen, this is definitely smaller than a classic Happy planner. So I will find out all that info. Okay, so I took everything out of the plastic and loving everything so far. So the planners are an A5 size. I just looked that up. Oh my gosh, let's go over the planners first because these are super adorable. So there are 2 planners. They're both seasonally themed. I love the material that Planything uses for her covers. It's similar to if you got her like the little notebooks that she was coming out with recently. It's like that. It's very like matte, flat kind of feel. I don't know. It's not glossy, which I love because sometimes I don't like using the covers from like Happy Planner on camera because I have all that glare. This is just like a nice flat finish. Love the inside. Okay, so there's 2 planners. They are both 12-month planners. They start in July, I believe. Yeah, they both have July tabs. So let's go over this one first. This one I think was called a, let me get the paper or the little package, the functional vertical layout for this one. Okay, so it has all the like little seasonal stuff there. The inside cover, 2024 to 2025. This Planything planner belongs to. Then you got the calendars for 2024 and 2025. Goals section here. I love the discs. They're like this really pretty peachy color. July, let's go to the beach. And then here, oh, this is cute. Okay, so you have 3 sections here where you can write in maybe like your top 3, or you can categorize these boxes, a little checklist, and then some dotted lined sections there. So that's July 7th. And then the calendar. Ooh, I wonder, okay, sorry. This is July 7 means the month. I thought at first that was the date, but that is the monthly like a little monthly overview that you can do for the month. Then it goes into the monthly calendar, okay? Now we're getting into the weekly sections. So here's July 1st through the 7th, Monday through Sunday, and then July 8th through the 14th. So you get 1 week on each page in this planner. Okay, so there's the next one. And this paper is like nice and thick, nice thick paper, which is really good. So you don't have to worry about like anything bleeding through. Here's August, go where you feel most alive. And then here's the little monthly dashboard, cute little pattern on the back of that one. Your monthly section here. and then back into those weeklies. Okay, so let's just go over the covers. That's basically, oh, and then you get a line sheet. I didn't notice that. A line sheet on the back of this one. And then next is September, Happy Harvest. October, I love that one. November, Gathering. December, oh, so pretty, that little scene. January, got a little snow scene here. February, cute little doggy. March, butterflies. April, all the spring vibes there. May, and then June. Pretty like beach scene. Okay, and then the last page is just a little note section, and then that is the back of the planner. Okay, so that is the functional layout. Then next, let me just double check. Oh, I guess it's the same thing. Okay, so then this one just says vertical layout, 12 months. Okay, so here's the next one. This one's got a cute little cover on the front. I like the little ice cream cart and the scene of houses. This one has pink discs here. Ooh, I love the pink little stripes. That's pretty. And you got the calendars. Goals section. Love that scene. And into July. Same little monthly dashboard section, and then into the monthly section. Oh, and she even put the dates for the next month. So this is July 1st through the 31st. Oh, and I didn't notice this, sorry. This has a Monday start date. So usually like the calendars I'm used to using have a Sunday start here, and then Monday, Tuesday to Saturday. But this has Monday through Friday, then Saturday and Sunday on the end. And then also the dates for August that start here are on the bottom too, but they are kind of grayed. They're like a gray color versus the black. So you kind of can see the dates coming up for those. Okay, so here is, okay, so this one's a little bit bigger, and this is why, because instead of 1 week on one page, you get 1 week on 2 pages in this planner. So we have July 1st through the 7th, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday on one little section. Then the next week, July. Okay, so those are the weeklies in this planner. So 1 week on 2 pages in this one. And then you get a little nice line sheet on the back. Then August, so we'll just go over the dividers, because at least this one does have different dividers, which I like, that they're not the same as the other one. So we got some nice little houses in this one. Ooh, that's a pretty house. September, October, so cute, the little ghosts. November, pretty. Ooh, I love that one too. December, then January, a little snow scene. February, cute little Valentine house. All you need is love. March, April, the little animals, so cute. May, this is like the cover, and then June. Nice. Okay, and then the back. That's the back note section, and then this is the back of the planner. Okay, yeah, so this one's definitely a lot thicker, again, because this one has the weeklies on 2 pages, and this one had the weeklies on 1 page. I just want to double check, because I didn't notice the monthlies. Yeah, Monday through Sunday, and then also the upcoming dates in the new month are grayed out with the number. Also for the previous ones too, they're grayed out. Okay, cool. So those are the 2 planners. Very exciting. Also, I got a little box of discs. I'm assuming she's coming out with discs. So we have little pink mini discs, similar to this pink, just more of a mini size if you're familiar with like Happy Planner. Then we have this like more hot pink, similar size to what's on the planners. Oh, this is a metal. Yeah, metal. That's not plastic. These were plastic. This is a gold color. These the same. No, this is a little bit bigger size. Okay, so that's two kinds of sizes there. So far, these are the same. Are these the same size? Yeah, these are the same size. And then this is, yeah, that's the little one. Okay. And then we have this bigger one. This is metal too. So that's the next size. We have a pretty blue color, which is similar to this size. This one's black. This is plastic, the big size. Ooh, this one's pretty. It's a purple and it's metal. So that's this size right here. And then we have this kind of like olivey green plastic color. And that one looks like it's this size. Okay, so it looks like 4 different sizes of discs. Okay, that are going to be available. Wow, that's a lot of variety. That's cool. So again, if you want to customize your planner, change it up, you have that option. So those are the little discs. And then I have some other items. So it looks like she's also selling like different planner covers if you wanted to get just the cover, maybe. That's what's going on. I don't know. I have like different, well, they're the same actually as these here, but maybe you can buy them separately. So definitely look out for that on the site. I love that there's filler paper, so you can make your own notebook with this if you wanted to. Get some discs, make your own notebook. So there's filler paper that's just dot grid. So I love that this is going to be on its own. Just some nice dot grid paper. So there's that. And then also the dividers. Okay, so the dividers are going to be on their own too. These aren't labeled, so you can label them as you would like. But they look like they're similar to the ones that are in the planners, just not pre-labeled. Oops, something's gonna slide off. Okay, so yeah, looks like the same dividers. Let's go to the beach. Go where you feel most alive. Actually, no, these look, no, yeah, they do. They're the same. Okay, Happy Harvest. So they're similar to the ones that were in the first planner I flipped through. These look like the same. So you can just get the dividers if you're interested in just having the dividers. You can make your own little planner setup and just label the tabs on the side. Okay, so that's that one. And then there's also this one. I love that one. So this was like the second planner that I flipped through. Really pretty. Again, they aren't labeled on the side, so you'll be able to label those as you would like. Oh, I didn't notice the backs. The seasonal theme on the back. Those are cute. Cute, cute, cute. The little house, the cute little animals. That's like the cover. And like the tropical vibes on that one. Pretty. Okay. So those are all the planner related things. That's really cool. There's lots of fun goodies releasing, which is exciting. I'm really excited about these planners. They're so pretty. Just love I just love everything about them. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is flip through these 2 new books. Cool. So now I have like planner pages to decorate from Planything, so that's exciting. So I'm going to flip through these books. We have, let's do Seasonal Houses. I love a good Seasonal Houses sticker book. Okay, brought it up just a little bit closer to get a better view. So here's the first page. These are all clear. So you got the winter theme here with some houses. Cute little snowman. The Valentine theme. I love the little Valentine house trees. Spring. I love the size of these. The houses are a lot bigger, and I'm loving that. Okay, little farm scene. Well, you can make a farm scene with that. And then we have some boxes and circles, and I love the bullet points. Okay, next one. I love that. Little houses and trees. Tropical theme here. Ooh, the beach theme. The beach pieces are pretty. Those are cool. I love that little mountain scene. And then boxes. A huge mansion. It's pretty. Halloween theme. The cat with the scarf. That's funny. The fall. And then winter, or like Christmas scene ones here. And boxes. Okay, and then we got some quotes. Daydreamer, work hard, dream big, let it be, take me to the ocean. Variety of quotes. So you get 2 sheets like that, duplicate. Next one, sweet November, feel free, celebrate, smile now. These are all clear, so 2 sheets like that. Okay, so that is seasonal houses, and then next is seasonal days. Okay, some fun winter theme ones here. Some kids ice skating. Valentine's. Cute. Butterflies. Ooh, those are pretty. Nice big butterflies on that one. The farm animals. Super adorable. And then the boxes. Ooh, camping, that's cute. Summer one here. Beach ones. All the cute beach outfits, summer outfits. Camping. And boxes. Fall theme. Pretty. Halloween. I always love the Halloween stuff from Planything. They're so cute. We have some, ooh, these pumpkins are pretty. I like the jewel tones. Christmas. Adorable. And the boxes. Okay, then we're getting into, okay, these are just words. So we have winter, summer, sunshine, Christmas, beach, fall, Easter, bloom, autumn, Halloween, sweater weather, spring. So 2 sheets like that. Love is in the air, summer vibes, autumn vibes, winter wonderland, hello summer, boo, winter vibes, merry and bright, pumpkin party, Easter bunny, spring is here. So a variety of seasonal quotes on that one. Okay, cute. I love using seasonal stuff, so super excited about that. All right, that is everything. That's everything I was releasing today. I'm super excited about this planner. Again, this is an A5 size, which I've never used an A5, but I'm loving the size of it. I want to compare it with a Happy Planner. Okay, so I have a Happy Planner just to compare size here. So here's a regular Happy Planner. See what I'm talking about? Like the glare. And here's the A5. It's such a nice size, and it's bigger than a mini, so it's like right in between a mini and a classic size. So yeah, really nice size on that one. I feel like this is a little bit more, I usually don't go, like I don't take this with me out and about. Like I don't feel like it's not as on the go, but this is a better like size for on the go. I can like put that in my bag and stuff, in my backpack. But I like that size a lot. All right, so those are all the items that are releasing today. Lots of fun items, so definitely check it out. Again, I have that discount code and my affiliate link down in the description if you want to use it. I will definitely be doing some plan with me's upcoming. If you end up buying these, or if you're still on the fence of it, buying them, I will be featuring these in some upcoming videos. Also, just to give inspiration on how to maybe use these books. But yeah, excited about that. So I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.